Hey guys, it's Brad from Trinidad. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to visit the Roman Colosseum. Today's Saturday, so there's a lot of people here. I just want you guys to walk around with me and stuff, take a look at the sites, see what they have to see in there. However, I know there's a lot of videos on YouTube with this stuff and going extensively talking about the history about it and just what they did in the Roman Colosseum and the arena and stuff. So I wouldn't go too deep into that, but I just want you guys to come take a walk with me and see what's in there. It's my first time. It's hot out. It's November 1st. It's Italy. It's 70-something degrees right now. Who would think, you know, in November it'd be this hot in Italy? So come with me. Right now we're entering the Roman Colosseum, and yeah, it's pretty huge on the outside. It's amazing how they built this thing. But yeah, right now we're going through security at the Colosseum, and I'll see you in a little bit. Just got through the security line. Wasn't that bad. Just want to check your pockets, check your backpack. I take my jacket off. Like I said, it wasn't too bad. You don't have to take your belts off now. The main thing they want to see is make sure you don't have your cell phone on you for some reason. But yeah, I'll pan around and show you what I'm seeing right now. She's gonna get to the other levels. I see you up there. I'll see you guys up there.
Bora, muito bem, uma You see, it's very huge. Det var en annan.
This is amazing how they built this. It's so old. The technology they had back then. Just gotta get through all these sea of people.
Yeah.
It is Saturday, so there's people everywhere. Alright, let's see where we gotta go next.
Guardaba posteriormente en la altar de los antecesores y yo podía saber cómo había sido la cara de mi abuelo y de la marca. Entonces eso sabía que yo sabía que
So apparently what we're looking at right here is pieces of pots and meats that people that used to live here during the Middle Ages used to eat from. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Right in front of me is like a small miniature of what the Colosseum used to look like. Once is all put together again. Here's it.
descend, c'est même pas sur la descente.
Right in front of me is the actual arena. This is, I believe, the second floor, the highest floor. I believe there's one more floor. But right in front of me is the arena. I'm gonna turn around and show you guys the arena real quick.
I think it could be
Another for the active is only to reach the panoramic terminus to about.
That is the Colosseum. That's the kids. It's very hot.
One thing that's really important is it is the 1st of November and it's really hot right now. It's like 70 degrees with all these people around. It makes it even hotter, right? Other thing is we booked it through the Klook app, and make sure you check your emails and stuff when you book it through the app, because sometimes they change the meeting points. Also, make sure you hydrate, bring water. There's a couple machines, vending machines, you get water and stuff from. But one other thing too, you have to download this through this app. It's called the Colosseum app. A couple videos, and make sure you bring your headphones. I didn't bring my headphones, I forgot, so I'm just walking around taking a look at everybody else. But I know there's a bunch of videos on YouTube with this kind of stuff already, you know, showing the history, going into detail and stuff. So you're just here with me, just walking along, taking a look, you know, as a tourist in the tourist things. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this as much as I'm enjoying it.